Nice big builders, happy workers, kind and friendly, and great big team. Building a new home, they're running up and down. Well, they do their job, they're having lots of fun. Nice the builders, kind workers, smart and happy, and great big team. Building a new home, they're playing all the time. Working all together, everything is fine. Nice the builders, happy workers, kind and friendly, and great big team. Building a new home, they're running up and down while they do their job. They're having lots of fun.
Hi, everyone. What was that? Hey, it's Harold the mailman. He's always bringing some sort of surprise. Want to help us guess what it is? Oh, no! Careful, Harold! Phew, that was close. Bye, Harold. Let's play a guessing game. Well, what do you think it is?
The snail?
No, that's not it. Come on, give it another try. It's not easy.
It isn't the elephant?
No, that's not it either. I told you it was hard. Come on, I'll give you a clue. Follow me. I'll put it in the correct place in the house. Well, what can it be? How about now? Any ideas?
And the tea kettle!
That's right! That was hard for me as well. Well done. Good job, everyone. Don't forget to join us next time.